How to download TikTok on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First things first, unlock your iPhone and head over to the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, just type TikTok. Once it pops up in the results, you'll see the TikTok app. Tap on the Get button. If you've downloaded it before, it might show a little cloud icon instead. Now, your iPhone might ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm the download. Go ahead and authenticate. Once it starts downloading, just wait a few seconds. When it's done, the Open button will appear. Tap that, and TikTok will launch right away. From there, you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. And that's it. You're ready to start watching and creating TikToks. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.